Well, hello my loves, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 7 different outfit ideas that are very classic but still very modern and up to date. Okay, before I show you these outfits, I want to share with you some tips on how to put together classic outfits that still look modern and fresh. Tip number 1 is to add a twist or an interesting element. This will elevate any simple outfit and make it a little bit more fresh. This could be a pop of color or a distinctive detail or embroidery. Tip number 2 is to play with your accessories. Accessories can completely change any outfit, even if it's like super basic and super simple, so use that to upgrade your look. Also, accessories are usually a little bit less expensive than clothes. Obviously, it would depend on which accessory you're going to wear, but it could be an area that you could be a little bit more experimental with. In my personal case, I love to experiment with shoes and belts because they are my favorite type of accessories, but you can do so with anything that you like. Tip number 3 is mix classic pieces with more contemporary pieces to create a contrast. The same thing could be said with mixing formal and informal pieces, creating a balance between sophistication and modernity. Tip number 4 is to style pieces in a way that is not the typical or usual way to style it. Classic pieces like a pair of jeans or a button-down shirt or a little black dress are incredibly timeless, but take a few minutes to think about other ways on how you can style that outfit that is not the typical way. An idea, it could be maybe layering something underneath or on top to bring dimension. Okay, and tip number 5, and this one I think it's one of my favorites, is to identify which ones are the popular silhouettes right now and style outfits, with basic and classic pieces, but following those contemporary silhouettes. Obviously, my advice would be to, go for silhouettes that are flattering to your body, because not every silhouette is flattering to you. But every era has its own silhouette. In the 1920s it was the low waist, and in the 1950s it was the fit and flare, in the 1980s it was the broad shoulders, the big shoulders. And the thing is that trends get faster and faster every day, so nowadays you could have like several coexistent silhouettes that you can take inspiration from. So if, for example, nowadays the trending silhouette are some boxy shoulders, you can recreate that shape by choosing pieces that have that type of structure, or by adding some shoulder pads. And like that with everything, you can modernize your outfits by incorporating trending silhouettes or shapes into your already classic outfits. And this principle could even be applied to other elements, like for example textures and prints and colors and fabrics. So you can definitely incorporate trending textures or fabrics into your classic outfits to make them a little bit more modern. So with that being said, let's check out some classic but modern outfit ideas. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite outfit. Lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications down below for more fashion and lifestyle content. And as always, I will leave the links in the description box of all of my social media so you can go check them out. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao!